Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how to make a video place in the CapCut apps. So you can tap on your project, select your videos that you want to edit, and for example, I already have one project with the video. So to make the place, you're just going to select effect, select video effect, and then select a place effect. So many option for place effect, place bunch, and white place. So I'm going to select okay, and confuse. I'm going to select place 4, but this is for effect. You have to join properties to be able to use this effect. Okay, so this is the final effect. Sorry. Alright, so that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.